Everyone thinks the best-selling acoustic electric guitar is automatically the best one. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different. Product number 1: Fender California Debut Redondo. First up is the Fender California Debut Redondo, priced at just $139.99. This guitar caught my eye with its sleek black finish and reputation for being beginner-friendly. If you're looking for a reliable starter instrument, this is worth a serious look. The easy-to-play C-shaped neck allows for comfortable fretting, which is crucial when you're just starting out. Plus, the 2-year warranty adds peace of mind, assuring you that it's built to last. This guitar has a solid rating of 4.5 stars from 675 reviews, showing that many beginners have found success with it. Now, some people complained about the sound projection being less impressive compared to higher-end models. Here's the thing though, for someone just starting, it's more about learning the basics and building confidence rather than having the best sound quality out there. This is perfect for you if you're a complete beginner looking for an affordable option to get started. Skip this one if you're an advanced player seeking high-end features. For under $140, it's a great value. Now, if the limited sound projection of the Fender bothered you, the next one up might just be what you're looking for. Product number 2: Fender CD60 SCE. Next, we have the Fender CD60 SCE Solid Top Dreadnought Acoustic Electric Guitar, priced at $399.99. What initially grabbed my attention was the all-mahogany design, which not only looks gorgeous but adds depth to the sound. If you want to step up in quality as you develop your skills, this is worth checking out. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The solid spruce top and scalloped X-bracing enhance resonance, giving you a richer tone that's essential for live performances or recording. The Fishman pickup system ensures that your sound is clear and precise, whether you're plugged in or playing acoustically. With a 4.6-star rating from over 1,200 reviews, it's clear that this guitar delivers. Now, some users pointed out that the included accessories are slightly basic for the price. But honestly, the quality of the guitar itself more than compensates for that. You can always invest in better accessories later on. This is perfect for you if you're an intermediate player ready for a more professional sound. Skip this one if you're still figuring out your playing style or need something more budget-friendly. For $400, you're getting a lot of quality. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want a thinner profile. Product number 3: Ashthorpe Thinline Acoustic Electric. The Ashthorpe full-size cutaway thinline acoustic electric guitar package comes in at just $119.99. Its unique design and affordability really caught my eye. If you want something lightweight and comfortable, this guitar is worth a serious look. The A-grade spruce and basswood construction means it resonates beautifully, whether you're strumming softly or playing louder. With a 4.5-star rating from about 4,500 reviews, many players agree that it delivers great sound on a budget. Now, some players mention that the tone isn't as full as some solid wood guitars. But here's the thing, for the price, you're getting a fantastic starter guitar that still sounds great and is perfect for practicing. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a budget-friendly option that's also portable. Skip this one if you're set on a full solid wood construction. At under $120, it's an incredible deal. Now, if the sound quality of the Ashthorpe isn't what you're looking for, the next guitar might be more your style. Product number 4: Yamaha APX 600. Next up is the Yamaha APX 600, priced at $369.99. The Oriental Blue Burst finish really stands out, and if you want a thin-body guitar that's easy to play, this is worth considering. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The thin-line cutaway design makes it super comfortable to play, especially if you're used to a heavier guitar. The scalloped bracing pattern also enhances bass response, giving your sound a nice depth that's often hard to find in thinner guitars. With a 4.6-star rating from around 1,100 reviews, it's well-loved by musicians. Now, some users found the narrower string spacing a bit challenging at first. But honestly, once you get used to it, it can really facilitate faster play, especially for complex fingerwork. This is perfect for you if you're an advancing player looking for comfort without sacrificing sound quality. Skip this one if you prefer a standard width neck. At this price point, you're definitely getting quality. Alright, that was a stylish option. But if you're after something more budget-friendly with decent quality, stick around for the last one. Product number 5, Jameson Guitars Thinline Acoustic Electric. Finally, we have the Jameson Guitars full-size Thinline Acoustic Electric Guitar, priced at just $118.99. The classic design caught my attention, and it offers a great entry point for new players. If you're looking for something affordable that doesn't skimp on sound, this guitar is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. This guitar features a spruce top and basswood body, which work together to produce a warm, rich tone. The onboard 4-band EQ allows you to customize your sound when you plug in, giving you versatility whether you're practicing at home or performing. With a solid 4.5-star rating from 2,300 reviews, it's clear that many players are pleased with their purchase. Now, some people noted that the build quality isn't as high as more expensive models. Here's the thing though, for the price, you're getting a reliable instrument that sounds great and is perfect for beginners. This is perfect for you if you're a budding musician looking for an affordable starter guitar. Skip this one if you need high-end features or are planning to perform professionally. At under $120, it's definitely a steal. So to sum it up, we had the Fender California debut for beginners, the Fender CD60 SCE for intermediate players, the Ashthorpe for portability on a budget, the Yamaha APX 600 for comfort, and the Jameson Guitars option for an affordable entry-level instrument. Each has its strengths, so think about what fits your needs best before making a choice.